Here's one for you to try on your own, but we're going to work together to set it up first. So we want to use the substitution method to solve x plus 3y equals -5 and 2x plus 2y equals 6. That's a system of equations. When you want to use the substitution method, you begin by finding the lone variable, if possible. So look here, we have this x, lone, right? It's all by itself. And so that's what we want to use for the substitution. So I'm going to rewrite this system of equations. This top one, I'm going to solve it for x by subtracting 3y from both sides. So this becomes x equals -5 minus 3y. And then the bottom equation stays the same. 2x plus 2y equals 6. Okay, so now this part is up to you. Pause the video, solve it out, and then we'll continue and compare answers. Okay, well, hopefully you use substitution and you substituted this x right in here. And by that I mean you substituted all of this in parentheses, -5 minus 3y, in for x there in the bottom equation. When you do that, you get 2 times -5 minus 3y plus 2y equals 6. And now we have an equation with just y's in it. So we can solve this for y and continue from there. So let's distribute this 2 through. So we get -10 minus 6y plus 2y equals 6. Combining like terms, that gives us -10 minus 4y equals 6. Okay, so we can add 10 to both sides. That gives us -4y equals 16, which finally gives us y equals -4 by dividing both sides by -4, of course. Okay, so that's not our entire answer. That's half of the answer. We need to solve for x here. What does x equal? All right, well, we've solved for y, so let's go all the way back and substitute it into one of our original equations. And the way I see it is you pretty much want to substitute in wherever makes it easier. So I'm thinking we can actually do right here. This is already x equals something right up here. So I'm thinking let's substitute it in right there. I'm going to ditch these parentheses as they're starting to look a little busy. Okay, so I'm plugging in there for this y. So this is now -4. So this gives us x equals -5 minus 3 times -4. Okay, -5 plus 12, which gives us 7. So x equals 7. Right, and then it's really nice to write this answer in a nice ordered pair. So, okay, 7, -4, right? Because remember, an ordered pair always has x first and y second. So there we go, a single point. Graphically, if we were to graph these two lines, this point would be where the two lines crossed.